Hi, good morning. I hope you've had a great weekend and that you've been adjusting well to all your classes being online now. This week is going to be our first music lesson online, so I thought we would start with a song. If you know this one, sing it along. If not, you can listen to me sing. Here it goes. Hello there, how are you, how are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. So for our first lesson of music that we've had in a few weeks, I thought we could take a couple steps back to where we were a little while ago in music this year. So we did a whole big unit on rhythms and learning our rhythms and being able to clap out the syllables of words and putting those into rhythm. So we're going to start our first lesson dealing with a little bit more of that today. So we're going to try a lesson called a found object lesson. What I want you to do is go find a few objects around your house that you can count and clap rhythms to. So for instance, here's a few things I found laying around my house. A tennis racket, this fish, a drum, and a marker. So those 4 items I'm going to use to create my own rhythm today. And that's what you're going to do at home too this week. But I want to show you first how we do that. So let's take marker. Marker has 2 syllables in the word. That means when I say marker, there are 2 different syllables that we say and we can clap. So marker. This is my fish. So fish only has 1 syllable. It sounds like this. Fish. Easy enough. I have a drum. The drum, probably just has 1 too. Let's try it. Drum. Drum. Just 1 syllable. And last but not least, I have the tennis racket. I think that probably has more than 1 or 2 sounds. Let's see. Tennis racket. That makes 4. So I clap 4 times for tennis racket, 2 times for marker, and 1 time for fish, 1 time for drum. What I did, since fish only had 1 clap, I made a rhythm that has 1 beat, a quarter note. Marker has 2 claps, so I chose 2 eighth notes. Tennis racket has 4 claps, so I chose 4 16th notes. And last but not least, drum had 1 clap, so I chose another quarter note. Let's put these together. As you can see, I took all 4 of our objects and I wrote them out in a line. If I count the rhythms, it sounds like this. Ta, taka tiki ta, ti, ta. If I just say the objects, it sounds like this. Fish, tennis racket, marker, drum. This is what your final presentation should look like this week. So what I want you to do is find a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, and I want you to draw a picture of your 4 objects, and above each one, I want you to pick the music notes that fit that number of syllables in the word, in the object. So, like I said, fish has 1, tennis racket has 4, marker has 2, and drum has just 1. And then I put it together. Your job is to create something just like this. Use any objects you find around the house. It could be anything you like, as long as you can make the music notes for it. And the last thing you're going to do is take a picture of your final drawing with your music notes. And I want you to put your picture under the Assignments tab on My MCPS. So underneath the Assignments tab, you'll see a place where you can put your picture of our rhythms. Have fun for week 1. As a reminder, keep checking back in on My MCPS. I'm going to have some links set up for some other music activities you can do and some links to some websites so that you can play some games and check out some other music resources to keep our music skills sharp. And last but not least, how we finish every class. 1, 2, sing with me. Music is over. Music is over. Music is over. Goodbye. One more time. Music is over.